In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text on Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser and go to gmail.com. Once the page loads and I'm signed in, I'm looking at the main Gmail interface where all my emails are listed. Now that Gmail is open, I'm going to make sure I'm in the mail section so I can see my inbox and the list of messages. Usually Gmail opens here automatically, but if you're not already here, just switch over to mail so the inbox is visible. At this point, I'm scrolling through my inbox and choosing an email that contains the text I want to copy. Once I find the email I want to work with, I'm going to click on it so the full message opens. Now the email content is displayed in the center of the screen. Now that the message is open, I'm going to look through the email and find the specific text I want to copy. Once I locate it, I'll place the cursor at the beginning of that text. Then I'm going to click and drag the mouse across the words I want to copy. As I drag across the text, you'll see it become highlighted. This highlight shows exactly which text will be copied. I'll make sure all the words I want are selected before moving on. Once the text is highlighted, the next thing I'm going to do is copy it. To do that, I'll press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. That keyboard shortcut copies the selected text and places it temporarily on the computer's clipboard. After pressing Ctrl and C, the text is now copied even though nothing visible changes on the screen. The highlighted text stays where it is, but now it's ready to be pasted somewhere else. So now I'm going to create a new email where I can place that copied text. To do that, I'll move over to the left side of the screen and click on Compose. As soon as I click Compose, the new message window appears. Now I'm looking at the Compose window where you can type a new email message. This is where we're going to paste the text we copied a moment ago. I'm going to click inside the body area of the email where the message normally goes. Once the cursor appears in the message field, that means the text can be inserted right there. Now to paste the text, I'm going to press Ctrl+V on the keyboard. As soon as I press Ctrl and V, the copied text instantly appears in the email message area. You'll see the exact text we copied from the earlier email now sitting inside the Compose window. That confirms the paste worked correctly and the text has been successfully transferred from one email to another. At this point, you can leave the text exactly as it is or continue typing around it if you want to add more content to the email. So just to quickly recap what we did while you watch it on the screen, we opened gmail.com, went to mail, selected an email, highlighted the text we wanted to copy, pressed Ctrl+C to copy it, clicked Compose to open a new message, and then pressed Ctrl+V to paste the copied text into the email. Once that's done, the text appears inside the new email message exactly where the cursor is placed. And that's really all there is to it. Copying and pasting text in Gmail is a quick process that only takes a few seconds once you know the keyboard shortcuts. You simply highlight the text, copy it using Ctrl and C, and paste it using Ctrl and V wherever you want it to appear in your email.